Urban Technosystems Private Limited, Kolkata make. Earth leakage detector as per RDSO SPN 256202. Let us open the back cover and see the back panel. From the back, the leftmost is the master input connector, and the remaining 4 identical connectors are for 4 corresponding channels. Let's connect the input power. The AC mains power of 230 V can be used to power up the system. Connect supply earth to GND marked terminal. Connect neutral to 0 volt marked terminal. Connect live to 230 volt marked terminal. Use a dedicated earth source point and connect that particular earth to all the E1 points of 4 input channels. Connect NX or negative point of the bus bar of the selected power line to NX or negative terminal of the specific input channel. Similarly, connect BX or positive point of the bus bar of the selected power line to BX or positive terminal of the same input channel. The bus bar present LED will start glowing on the selected channel as long as the power is available on that bus bar. Now we will discuss the details of the master module front panel. The meter is having 2 scales. The red colored upper part is for leakage resistance and the black colored lower part is for the insulation resistance. This is channel selector switch, alarm acknowledgement button, and reference adjustment potentiometer. These are insulation resistance set limit indicator and bus bar energized indicator. These are insulation resistance test lid connectors. Now we will describe the details of the channel module front panels. There are 4 LED indicators, which indicates the status of the power supply connected to that channel. This is fault totalizer, which is a non-volatile, non-resettable counter. This counts up when fault is detected and thereafter successfully reset after fault clear. This is channel reset button and set reference potentiometer. Now we will learn how to set the minimum acceptable earth leakage resistance, that is the alarm level for a particular channel. Let us assume the minimum acceptable earth leakage resistance is 300 kilo ohms for this case, and that is to be set on channel number 3. First, turn the set reference potentiometer of channel 3 fully anti-clockwise. Then select the channel number by turning the channel selector knob on the master module. Then turn on the reference adjust potentiometer by rotating it slightly clockwise. You will listen a click sound and will notice that the set reference yellow LED is glowing on the selected channel. Now turn the reference adjust potentiometer clockwise again and set the desired value, that is 300 kilo ohms this case, through the pointer of the meter using the red colored upper scale. Come back to the set reference potentiometer of the selected channel and continue turning the same clockwise until alarm appears. Now turn the same potentiometer anticlockwise a little and press the reset button of the channel. You will see the alarm is disappeared. Then turn the same potentiometer slowly in clockwise direction and leave it once the alarm appears. Go back to the set reference potentiometer of the master module again and turn it fully anticlockwise until you hear a click sound. When this is switched off properly, no yellow LED will glow. Press the reset button of the channel. This completes the set reference adjustment of the channel. Now, we will simulate leakage path to the earth by using external resistance. On this process, we will slowly reduce the earth leakage resistance and will watch what happens. Once the leakage resistance value reaches the set value, that is 300 kilo ohms this case, immediately the alarm will appear. The alarm cannot be reset as long as the leakage resistance is low. However, if the leakage resistance value is increased above the set value, the alarm can be reset and you will notice that the fault totalizer counter is incremented by 1. Now we will learn how the system can be used as an insulation resistance meter. First, turn the channel selector switch to IR position, that is the 5th position. Then connect the test leads to earth connector and any one of the insulation test connectors of the master module panel. You can read the insulation resistance value between 2 points, typically cable insulation resistance, from the lower black colored scale of the meter. The factory set minimum insulation resistance value is 1.5 megaohms and the corresponding LED will glow if insulation resistance is found to be lower than the set value. This insulation resistance measurement is only possible if the test points are unpowered. However, if any powered points are connected to the IR inputs, the bus bar energized LED will glow and the system will be automatically disconnected through internal circuitry. We have almost come to the end of the session. We will now learn a few remaining points. Let's see the back panel once again. These are the 2 points used for remote acknowledgement operation. Through a pair of wires, you can connect a push-button switch at a remote location, typically at a ASM room, for this purpose. Similarly, you can also connect a separate buzzer at the same remote place by using these 2 points. You don't need any power to play the buzzer as the points supply the required DC voltage as source. You can get the alarm information from individual channels through potential free contacts. These contacts are available on the 4 connecting terminal sets on the back panel. The P-marked point is common, the NO point is normally open and the NC point is normally closed contacts of the relay. During OK condition, the relay is in picked up mode. When alarm appears, the relay is set to released mode. These contacts can be successfully used by data logger to identify exact incident moment of the failure. Each channel's NX and BX inputs are protected through fast blow type fuses of 100 mA 250 volt. If you see that the bus bar present LED indicator is not glowing, then check the corresponding fuses. If it's found blown, replace the fuse with exact value and exact type only. With this we conclude video on Earth Leakage Detector by Urban Technosystems Private Limited.